Which animal have no blood but respire? Hydra. Where does rainfall from the southwest monsoon reach? Delta region. Which component of the atmosphere has increased during the last 200 years? Carbon dioxide. What is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust? Aluminium. By which instrument the rate of growth of plant is measured? Oxynometer. When is International Women's Day recognized by the UN observed? The 8th of March. Which types of light are strongly absorbed by plants? Blue and red. Why do the tropical cyclones not occur close to the equator? Weak Coriolis force. What is the approximate circumference of the Earth? 30,000 kilometers. Who was the first Mughal emperor to allow Britishers to establish trade links with India? Jahangir. Moon-shaped sand dunes is formed by which wind action? Barkhands. Which is the main ingredient in cement? Limestone. Which vegetable protein is considered as good as an animal protein? Soybean protein. The term L.B.W. is associated with which game? Cricket. By whom was the principle of black hole enunciated? S. Chandrasekhar. Which river flows between Vindhya and Satpura ranges? Narmada. The famous book The Daughter of the East is written by whom? Benazir Bhutto. Which gas changes lime water in milky color? Carbon dioxide. Which gland is responsible for the secretion of insulin? Pancreas. What is the amount of actual water vapor of air? Absolute humidity. Which are the most commonly used chemicals in the artificial rain making or cloud seeding? Silver iodide. A vein is a vessel that carries blood which side? Towards the heart. What is the position of Indian Railways network in the world? 4th position. What is the word used to describe the shape of Earth? Oblate spheroid. Which metal is not attacked by the environment? Gold.